Good afternoon. Yesterday's class we discussed about finding tangents and normals, isn't it? Equation of tangents and normal. What is tangent? What is meant by tangent? Tangent means a line which touches the curve at a point. A line which touches the curve at a point, we call it as tangent. And what about a normal? A line which is perpendicular to the tangent, we call it as normal. And what about the equation of the tangent? What is the formula for equation of the tangent? Yes, Aishwarya.
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What about equation of the normal? Aparna.
Ma'am, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1.
Okay. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is minus 1. Okay. So based on this, let's do some question now. Okay. Write the question. Find the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve. Y is equal to, find the point on the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Find the point on the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, at which the tangent has the equation, at which the tangent has the equation, tangent has the equation, at which the tangent has the equation y is equal to x minus 11. Okay, it's an important question. It's an important question. Mark it. It's an important question. Look at here. What is asked? Find the point on the curve. We want to find a point on the curve. We don't know the point. Let's take this point to be x1, y1. We want to find a point on the curve at which the tangent, so at which the tangent is, the equation of the tangent is given. What is the equation of the tangent? X minus 11. We want to find this point. Is it clear? The question, is it okay? Aparna? The question, is it clear? Read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Find a point on the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, at which the tangent has the equation y is equal to x minus 11. Equation of the tangent is given, isn't it? The point is not given. So this is the point of contact. So point of contact means it is a point which lies on the curve as well as on the tangent. Point of contact means it is the point which lies on the curve as well as on the tangent. So we don't know the point. Let's take that point to be x1, y1. Let P of x1, y1 be the point. Okay, let this be the point. Point of contact where the tangent is drawn. Okay, so x1, y1 is a point on the curve as well as on the tangent. So it will satisfy that equation. Now, we want to find tangent. Tangent means, what is the formula for equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, isn't it? So, at this point, okay, so curve is given. What's the equation of the curve given here? Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Find the slope. What is the slope of the curve? What is dy by dx? Slope of the curve is, yes, differentiate and give me, what is the slope?
3x square minus 11.
Very good. 3x square minus 11. So at the point x1, y1. So at the point x1, y1, what will be the slope? Dy by dx is equal to, and denoting the slope as m1 which is equal to 3x1 square minus 11. Okay, this is the point given by 3x1 square minus 11. Again, at the point x1, y1, what is the slope of the tangent? Tangent's equation is given. Equation of the tangent is given. So, at the point x1, y1, so you find what is the slope of the tangent. The tangent is given as y is equal to x minus 11. So, what is dy by dx here? Dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 0. So, which is 1. So, at the point x1, y1, what is the slope? X1, y1 slope is m is equal to 1. Now, this is the slope of the tangent. This one also the slope of the tangents. Isn't it? It is given from the curve. We are finding the slope of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is given. So, these two will be same. Is or no? This is the slope of the curve. Slope of the curve gives tangent, isn't it? Slope of the tangent. When you differentiate the curve, it will give the slope of the tangent. Here, equation of the tangent is given. From there also we can find the slope. So these two are slopes of the same line. These two are slopes of the same line. So they are equal. From 1 and 2, so we can compare. From 1 and 2, the slopes are equal. So we can write 3x1 square minus 11 is equal to 1. So 3x1 square is equal to 12. From here, tell me what is the value of x1? What is the value of x1? These two are slopes. Slopes are equal. So equate it and find out what is x1.
X1 is 2.
X1, is it 2? Make it sure. Is it 2? Aditya, Satyan, is it 2?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Yes, repeat it.
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am.
Yes, Aparna, what is the answer, Aparna?
Ma'am, plus or minus 2.
Plus or minus 2. Whenever we take square root, we have to consider both the values. Is it okay, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
So x1 square is 4. Okay. So it's not 2. Whenever we take square root, we have to consider both. Okay. So x is plus or minus 2. So we are getting two values for x. So when x is 1, when x1 is 2, what is the corresponding value? What is the value of y? Find out. Substitute it in the given equation and find the points. Substitute this in the given curve. What's the given curve? Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Substitute there. So 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. Substitute this and find out what is the value of y. Yes, louder.
Minus 9.
This minus 9. Is it correct, Karthik? Are you getting minus 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Therefore, what is the point? Therefore, the point is 2, negative 9. Point is 2, negative 9. One more value is there for x, isn't it? Which is the next value? What is the next value we got for x? When x is negative 2. Find out what is the corresponding value of y. Yes, Tomlin, when yx1 is minus 2, what's the value of y?
Ma'am, 21.
Repeat. Can you repeat the value, Tomlin?
Ma'am, 90.
19. Yes, it is 19. Therefore, the point is minus 2 comma 19. Minus 2 comma 19. So the one point we got is 2 comma 9, negative 9. The other point is minus 2 comma 19. Now, okay. Now listen, keep your pen down, sit straight. Listen here. So we got two values. We got two set of points. Okay. And once we get this point, we have to check which one will satisfy the condition. We can't stop with this. We have to check among these 2 points, which one will satisfy the equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent given here? Equation of the tangent is already given, isn't it? What is the equation of the tangent? What is the equation of the tangent? Aditya Satyan, what's the equation of the tangent?
Y is equal to x minus 11.
What is the equation of the tangent? Y is equal to x minus 11. You substitute this point. So at the point 2 comma minus 9, is it satisfying? Substitute it and check. Minus 9 is equal to 2 minus 11. Is it satisfying? So 2 comma minus 9 satisfies. Okay, 2 comma minus 9 satisfies. What about minus 2 comma 19? Will it satisfy? At the point minus 2 comma 19, will it satisfy? So you'll get 19 is equal to minus 2 minus 11, which is minus 13. Is it true? Is this one true? No, isn't it? It's false. Therefore, which is the required point? For which one will be the required point? 2 comma minus 9 is the required point. Here, although we are getting 2 points, okay? Although we are getting 2 points, okay, we are checking which one satisfies it. Which one is satisfying that one? Is it okay? Which one satisfies that given condition? Okay? Is it okay, children? Is it okay, Aparna? This one, is it okay? Shubham? Shubham?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it okay, this one? How you did this one? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. See, once I'll repeat it, go through it. This is an important question. Mark it important. Okay, this is an important board exam question. Okay, read the question again. What is given here? Read the question. Find the point on the curve. We have to find a point on the curve at which the tangent has the equation. Okay, the tangent has the equation. So equation of the tangent is given. Till yesterday, we are finding the equation of the tangent based on some conditions. Here, today, the equation is given. We are asked to find the point, isn't it? Is it okay? Is it clear? The question, read the question and understand it. Okay, here, equation of the tangent is given. We are asked to find the point where the tangent is drawn. So we don't know the point. We are taking the point as x1, y1. It is the point. So this point will lie on the curve as well as on the tangent. So slope at the point x1, y1 from the curve will be same as slope of the tangent. So the given curve is y is x cube minus 11x plus 5. You differentiate it. On differentiating, dy by dx is 3x square minus 11. At the point x1, y1, in the place of x, we put x1. If y is there, we will substitute y1, but no y term. So we are getting dy by dx is 3x1 square minus 11. Then from the given tangent, we are finding dy by dx. Here dy by dx is 1. When we equate, we are getting two values for x. We are getting two values for x. Is it okay? Is it clear, Aditya, up to this? Aditya, Satyan?
Yes, ma'am.
After finding this x, what we did? After finding x. Tell me, Aditya.
Substitute in the equation.
We are substituting this in?
Equation y is equal to x minus 11.
We are substituting it given equation of curve. Okay. We are substituting in the equation of the curve and we are finding the values of y. So we are getting 2 points. We are getting two set of points, 2 comma minus 5 and negative 2 comma 19. So we have to check. Once we get the point, we have to check which is satisfying the required condition. Which is satisfying the required condition. So how we check that one? We substitute that in the equation of the tangent. We substitute that point in the equation of the tangent and check which one is satisfying. So here we understood that 2 comma minus 9 is satisfying this condition. Therefore, it is the required point. It is the required point. Is it clear? Is it okay? Is it okay? Anila Mohanan? Okay, Aishwarya? Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next one? Write the next question. Find a point. Find a point on the curve. Find a point on the curve. Y is equal to. Find a point on the curve. Y is equal to x minus 3 the whole square. Find a point on the curve. Y is equal to x minus 3 the whole square. Where tangent is parallel to. Where tangent is parallel to. Tangent is parallel to. Tangent is parallel to the line joining. Tangent is parallel to the line joining 4, 1 and 3, 0. 4, 1 and 3, 0. Find a point on the curve. You have to find a point on the curve. Y is equal to x minus 3 the whole square, where the tangent is parallel to the line joining 4, 1 and 3, 0. How will you solve this? Tell me. So these two things are given. Equation of the curve is given. The other thing given is tangent is parallel to line joining these 2 points. Tell me, how will you do this?
Find
Yes.
the equation of the line.
Yes. Find the equation of the
Line joining those points.
okay. Finding the equation of the line. Finding the equation of the line. Then after finding the equation of the line, what you will do? Yes.
Tangent is parallel, so slope will be also equal.
Very good. Okay. Tangents are parallel, slopes are equal. So now my question is, listen to it, Aishwarya. Is it needed to find the equation? 2 points are given. Can you find the slope?
Yes.
Yes. Isn't it? Is that no? Points are given. So is it needed to find the equation and then find the slope? Instead of that, what we can do? What is the slope
Point
of
slope
this
form.
line? We can use 2 points form, isn't it? Slope of the line is, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1, 0 minus 1 by 3 minus 4. Is it correct? So which is minus 1 by minus 1. So slope of the line is 1. Slope of the line is 1. From the given curve also you find the slope. If they are parallel, if two lines are parallel, what can we say about the slopes?
Slopes are equal.
Yes, slopes are equal. So we are finding the equation, we are finding the slope from the given points, we are finding the slope from the given curve. We are finding the slopes from the given curve and equate it. Okay, Shubham, tell me. Shubham, how will you find the slope here? How will you find the derivative? Shubham. Shubham, x minus 3 the whole square. How will you find the derivative? Shubham? What's the derivative of x raised to
1
n?
of x.
Derivative of x raised to n.
X minus 3 of the whole, no, x square
Okay, now,
minus
give me the
2x
expansion of
minus
x raised to
3
n.
into 3 square.
Derivative of x raised to n.
X raised to n plus 1 by n.
That is integration, isn't it? Here I am asking derivative. That day itself I did the same mistake. What is derivative of x raised to n? What is the derivative? Put the power in the front. Okay, put the power in the front. Reduce the power by 1. Reduce the exponents by 1. X raised to n. X raised to n minus 1. What is the derivative of x cube?
2x square.
3x
So
square.
3x
Okay?
square.
3x square. What is the derivative of x raised to 5?
5x raised to 4.
5x raised to 4. Okay? So now here, y is given as x minus 3 the whole square. Expand it. When you expand it, what is x minus 3 the whole square?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
X square minus 6x plus 9. What is the derivative? What is the derivative?
2x minus 6.
2x minus 6. So this is the slope we got from the given curve. This is the slope we got from the line. Okay, these two are equal. Both are slopes of the same line. So equate it. Equate, find the value of x.
X is 7 by 2.
X is 7 by 2. Is it
7 by
correct,
2.
Aparna?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Doing. Okay. After calculating, give me the value. Okay. Tomlin, can you equate and give me the answer? Tomlin not there. Okay. Yes, Aparna, what the answer? What's the value of x? Aditya, Satyan.
7/2.
7/2. Okay. It's correct. So x is 7/2. So if x is 7/2, what's the corresponding value of y? So when x is 7/2, what is y?
1/4.
1/4.
4.
1/4. Is it correct, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This 7/2 minus 3 the whole square, which is 1/4. Y is 1/4. Therefore, the required point is, therefore, the required point is 7/2, 1/4. 7/2, 1/4. Is it okay? Is it clear? Completed? You all finished? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shubham?
1 minute.
Okay. Okay. Now, before doing the next one, tell me, children, what is the general form of any point on x-axis? Any point on x-axis.
X0.
Yes, Karthik. Any point on x-axis takes the form?
0. 0.
Which is 0?
X is 0. No. Y is 0.
Y is 0. So what is the general form of the point?
X, comma 0.
X, comma 0. Okay. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Therefore, any point takes the form x, comma 0. What about any point on y-axis? Any
X will
point
be
on
0.
y-axis? Any point on y-axis is?
0, y.
0, y. Correct. It is any point on y-axis is 0, y. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Now listen, a curve cuts the x-axis. A curve is cutting the x-axis. So the cutting point will be of the form. The intersecting point will be of the form. What will be the form? A curve is crossing x-axis. Listen, children, the words may be changed. It will be crossing x-axis. A curve is cutting the x-axis. A curve is intersecting the x-axis. So that intersecting point will be of the form. It is cutting the x-axis. So it is a point on x-axis. So what is the point? What will be the form of the point?
X0.
X, 0. Is it clear? Is it okay? When a curve cuts the x-axis, the point takes the form x, 0. So when a curve cuts the x-axis, the intersecting point will be of the form x, 0. When a curve cuts y-axis, if it cuts y-axis, the point takes the form 0, y.
0,
It is of the form, very good, Aditya. It is of the form 0, y. Write the next one. Write the next question. It's again an important question. Show that the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Touches the curve. It touches the curve. It touches the curve. Y is equal to b e raised to minus x by a. It touches the curve. Y is equal to b e raised to minus x by a. At the point where it crosses the y-axis. At the point where it crosses the y-axis. Read the question. Show that the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 touches the curve. What does it mean? Touches the curve means? A line touches the curve. This is the line which touches the curve. That means it is the
Tangent.
Tangent. We have to prove x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the equation of the tangent to the curve. What is the equation of the curve? Yes, Karthik. What is the equation of the curve? Yes. What is the equation of the curve? Aparna?
Ma'am, b raised to minus x by a.
Y is equal to b into e raised to minus x by a. At the point when it cuts the y-axis. Okay, this curve cuts the y-axis. For example, in this given figure, you can consider the first graph. Suppose this is the, okay, I'm just drawing the rough curve. Y is equal to b into e raised to minus a. It cuts the y-axis. At this point, we are finding the equation of the tangent. We have to prove the equation of the tangent is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Is it okay? Is it clear? Huh? So, what is the equation of the curve? Solution. The equation of the curve is y is equal to b into e raised to minus x by a. When the curve crosses the y-axis, when the curve cuts the y-axis, when the curve crosses or cuts the y-axis, what we know? Crosses the y-axis, x coordinate will be equal to 0, isn't it? When it cuts the y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. So x will be 0. Therefore, what is the value of y? What is the value of y? b into e raised to minus 0 by a. What is it?
B.
B. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, y is equal to b. Therefore, what is the point? Therefore, the point is 0, comma b. This is the point. Is it okay? Is it clear? Aparna? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we are taking this point?
Yes,
How we are
ma'am.
getting this point? It crosses y-axis. When it crosses y-axis, when it cuts the y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. You put x is equal to 0 in the equation of the curve and we are getting the point. Once we get the point, we can find the equation of the tangent. What is the formula for equation of the tangent? Y minus.
Y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
So we want to find m. Okay, we want to find the slope. Y is equal to b into e raised to x by a. So what is the slope? Slope is dy by dx. What is the derivative? What is the derivative of e raised to x? Derivative of e raised to x is
E raised to x
e
into
raised to
x.
x. So here b into e raised to minus x by a. The derivative is minus x by a into minus 1 by a. So it is minus b e raised to minus x by a by a. This is the point. So at 0 comma b, when x is 0 and b, y is b, what is m? M is minus b into e raised to minus 0 by a. So m is minus b by a. So this is the slope. This is the slope. So now we have the slope, we have the point. So write the equation. What is the equation of tangent? Equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. So y minus, what is the value of y1, Karthik? y1?
B into e raised to minus x by a.
Yes.
B e raised to minus x by
What is the point we got? Listen here. What is the point we got here? A comma instead of x1, y1. What is the point we got here?
0 comma b.
So what is the value of x1? What is the value of y1?
X1 is 0, y1 is b.
Yes, y1 is b. So y minus b is equal to minus b by a into x minus 0. So this a we can cross multiply. Y minus b into a is equal to minus b into x. Now simplify, you'll get the answer. That is ay minus ab is equal to minus bx. Minus bx, if we take to other side, bx plus ay is equal to ab. Look at the form we need. We don't want ab, isn't it? We want x by a plus y by b. So divide by ab. Divide each term by ab. So bx by ab plus a by b, b is equal to ab by ab. b will get cancelled. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Is the equation of the equation of the tangent. Is the equation of tangents. Hence, proved. Whether we have proved the results, whether we have proved the problem, we have proved that x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the equation of the tangents. Okay? Go through this question. The same questions, do it again as homework. The same questions, repeat it as homework because these are important questions. Okay, Karthik. So, whenever the points are given, when the points are given, we find the slope using 2 points form, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. If two lines are equal, if two lines are parallel, what can you say about the slopes?
They're
Slopes
equal.
are equal.
Equal. Okay. When a line touches the curve, means it is the tangent. Okay. Go through all these problems and tomorrow we'll be doing more problems based on this tangents and normals. Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.